is what it is. We can't stop it now.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Vernon and Jenny with Crawllander. We've made a special trip to Moab and we're going to run Elephant Hill in Canyonlands. Thought we'd bring you along for the ride. Headed out to get fuel right now, and then we're going to make the 70-mile trek to the Trailhead.
Yeah, Mark with us. Looks like it's kind of overcast today, but overall still a beautiful day.
And all signs are pointing to take our asses home.
Can't say you're wrong.
But we're going to do it anyway, aren't we?
I think so.
It's alright. You're a doctor. What could go wrong?
Exactly.
Hey, remember that time you didn't have a first aid kit and you like to rip your thumb off?
Kind of funny.
Just outside of Canyonlands Needle District is the Needles Outpost. The spot offers a general store, gas, and camping supplies, perfect for the last-minute needs before you explore the park.
We went in and checked with the backcountry office. Make sure we didn't need to check in or anything. I was like, hey, we're doing Elephant Hill. Got our permits online. Do we need to check in or anything? He's like, just a day use permit? He's like, no, you're good. He said, however, you're not going with that guy in the blue Raptor, are you? All right.
Let's do it.
Right here on Elephant Hill, so far it does not disappoint. It has been rock climbing, a lot of obstacles after another. Not huge obstacles or anything like that, but you know, some ledges, etc. It's been a good trip so far. We've just made it to the loop section, which you have to run in a clockwise motion. So we are doing that section now. Is this the squeeze or whatever?
If it's not, I hate to see what it is.
Oh, Mark. Oh, God damn it.
A little love.
A lot of love. All right, straight back.
Coming right where you're at. Doing good. good. It's alright. It's alright. Come on. Yep. It's alright. It's not alright. Come on. Come and drive her a little bit. Good, right there. Good. Keep coming. Come on. Well, that's what it is. Keep coming. Yep. A little more passenger if you can. Yep. Go. Yep. Keep coming. Just don't stop. Don't look either.
You want to keep the driver.
Keep coming. Over. Right there. Good. Right. Go forward. Give it some gas. It's going to cause some damage. And me too. Just keep coming. Come on. Don't stop. You gotta. I know. It hurts. Start coming, driver. Good. Yep. Come on. Go. I know. Just keep coming. It's your time, man. All right. That's what it is. We can't stop it now. It's all right. Just come on. We can't go back. Start coming more, driver. Yeah. A little less. Yep. Come on. Just keep coming inch at a time. Don't wait for me to say it. It's gonna crunch. It's gonna grind. Just keep coming. Hello. Come, driver. Good. Yeah, more driver. Come on down. Yep. Oh, God, I'm going to be sick. We're going to go backwards, you think? No. Come passenger. Turn it off. Forward. Yep. Forward. Come on. Yeah, good. Good, keep coming. Put the back window down. Keep coming. Just like that. Come on. Driver. Alright, we're ready to do it. Whoa. We're not out. Good. Nice. Yeah!
Hey. Oh, I just totaled a Raptor. At the direction of the owner, who just was like, send it. Good thing I told him before I got in that I wasn't responsible for any damage that may occur due to his poor spotting. Beds caved in, doors falling off. He's worried about this one bolt on his fucking snorkel.
Eric, we're going to do this.
Oh, God. That hurt.
Oh. We could have found a better way. We'll fix it when we get home. Just a little bit of paint. It was new, right?
All right, guys, we just come through the squeeze. Is it the squeeze? Is that what it's called officially? On Elephant Hill. We got into the wall a little bit right here. It's that's bad. It's like sucks. Other than that, we came through okay. Mark on the other end. Oof. Mark, do you think it's time for a Jeep? Guys, we're still out here on Elephant Hill. We're slowly but surely making our way through. We're just coming past the silver staircase here, and still having a good time, even though we've had a few mishaps. Still looking dope, and the scenery out here is absolutely gorgeous. Jenny, what do you think of Elephant Hill so far?
Actually a pretty good trail. I like it. Not a fan of the squeeze part, but we're not full size, so not that big of a deal. Overall, I think it's been a pretty good trail. I initially thought it was just a dirt road, but really rock. There's quite a bit of climbs and drops and whatnot.
It did pop out, didn't it? Fucking good as new.
I could just get in here, that'd be money. That wheel well though.
Maybe hit it back right here. Yeah, hit it.
I think this is normal though.
A gap?
This is pushed up. Let's get from there.
Out when you were up here. Come out a little.
Oh yeah, look. No, it's not dramatic.
One thing on the truck that's working. Guys, that's the end of our adventure today. It's been a good one, or not, depending on what vehicle you're driving. Elephant Hill, 10 of 10 do recommend. 10 of 10 do not recommend doing it in a Raptor. Jeep did great. Had a great time. Thank Mark for inviting us out to do Elephant Hill. I'll probably hear from his lawyer come Monday when it comes to the truck. No, he told me to drive it and do it. Isn't that right, Mark?
Here from Lane. Kick you right in your pee-pee.